Hello fellow coders! Today, let's embark on a journey into the world of CSS to create an enchanting 3D card effect. I'll guide you through the code step by step, so grab your favorite beverage and let's dive into the magic of CSS together. Our HTML structure is clean and simple. We have a parent container that holds our 3D card. Inside it, we've got a content box for the card details and a separate date box for that extra flair. Let's see how we bring this to life. Starting with the body, we'll create a dark and stylish background to make our 3D card stand out. We use flex to center everything, giving our design a neat and centered look. Now, let's set up our parent div. This is where the 3D magic begins. We add some padding, define the width, and introduce a touch of perspective to create that immersive 3D experience. Our card is the star of the show. We give it some padding at the top, round the corners, and enhance it with a subtle shadow. The background has a cool gradient, and we set up a smooth transition for that delightful hover effect. Now, let's dive into the content box. This is where the juicy details live. We add a lively background, round the corners, and set up a smooth transition for that extra touch of elegance. Let's bring some life to the content. The title and content gracefully pop up on hover. Oh, and don't forget the see more button. It gets a playful touch too. Adding that final touch, the date box. It's sleek, positioned in the corner, and has a classy design. The month and date inside give it a sophisticated look. And there you have it, a stunning 3D card brought to life with the magic of CSS. Play around with the code, customize it to match your style, and let your creativity flow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Happy coding, everyone!